flexing, yeah. Cause I just checked my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah. Cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah. Everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy the Crazy. You know what it is. I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG performing In the Rain. I don't know where this is. I think it was at like a fan sign, it looks like. But anyway, let's get it. Let's go.
Okay.
Harvey sounds beautiful, by the way. I love that they're letting Harvey sing more.
Like this, get started. Starting it, baby, so evident. Boy, what are you? Starting, but my day still running it. Never been like that, like that. See, never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, and I'm washing it all away because you left me in the right to blame.
Nice, Chisa. I would assume that after her singing is Hinata and the person just can't be bothered to move the camera to Hinata. If I had to take a guess, or is it Julia? I can't tell. That's crazy though. The way that she covers her voice here is beautiful. The way yay, yay, yay! I've been wanting to watch this. This is why I was like, I swear I wanted to watch this for a specific reason. This! I wanted to hear Julian sing this.
In the rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. It drop. Right now you got me dancing in the rain.
So you're telling me Julian could literally be part of the vocal line? Like, literally could be part of the vocal line. What's crazy is they have, what? Her, Maya... Yeah, her, Maya, and Kokona could be part of the vocal line. That's fucking scary.
All by myself like I'm insane. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really want to think about anything. Ain't no one will look back.
Hey, Hinata!
Ain't no one will look back.
Hinata has had one of the craziest growths vocally I've ever seen. Right? I don't think I've ever seen someone's voice develop so much in a matter of like a year or two. Like, it is scary how good Hinata is vocally. Her improvement is scary.
Can't explain. I don't really want to think about anything. Ain't no one will look back. It was only a game, but Save it. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a flame without me, baby. Hearts and a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side.
Nice,
Can't you
Coconut.
see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still standing here, ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still standing here, I go. In the rain, 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 in the rain. Baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. Let me soak and scrub, wash you off.
Watching XG perform their new music is so nice to see because you can see how much they enjoy their songs. You can see that they've been waiting to perform these songs. And it just puts a smile on my face. Coconut? Ooh, she saw.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Dude, I can't wait to hear what that song. I can't wait to hear them. I can't wait to see what they do with this song. Like how they perform it. Like what type of choreography they do for this song. I'm very intrigued. Yeah, there you go. It was a sign event. Wow, this is possibly the hidden gem on the All mini album, and hopefully they will do it on First Take. But here they are using hand mics at Tower Records, and they sound this angelic. Like I said, this song, to me, this song's perfect for them. Personally, I feel like this song was made perfectly for them because it shows their R&B side that people have been wanting. I feel like people have been wanting to hear XG, all of the members. It's the closest thing that we've gotten to this was the Christmas song, right? Winter Without You, where everyone's singing. Is that not the closest thing that we've gotten to this? So yeah, so I feel like people have been wanting to hear this side of XG. And it's amazing because I don't think a lot of people don't know that all of the members can sing. I did not know that Judin could sing this well. That's what I didn't know. I knew Judin was a good singer, but it just shows how much Judin has developed as a vocalist, which is impressive. That's very impressive. And I'm happy. I'm happy that we're getting to hear it, you know? Juliana Grande is lullabying me. Yeah, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Julia went off. Julia went off in this video. And nobody's talking about. Honestly, Coconut really impressed me. Like, she sounded really good. Really good. It's scary. Like I said, it's very scary to see how good this group is. If I had to sing with Chisa to the left of me and Julia to my right, I'd feel so self-conscious. But Jordan just sings and raps and finishes with a vocal run, just like another day at the office. To be fair, they have a scary lineup. Like I've known they've always had a scary lineup, but Jesus, man, this shows it even more. This is the first time I've seen Jordan stressed in a while. She killed it, of course. Yeah, I was gonna say it cannot be that easy. They sung live in their tour. They can sing very well. Those noticing Judy not smiling is because she's not sure about her singing abilities since she's in the rap line. It's not even that. It's what people are saying. She's singing. She's singing. Not only is she in the middle of Julia and Chisa, she's singing with them, which is not an easy thing to do. Not an easy thing to do at all. It's the whole thing that I'm so impressed about Hinata. Would you agree, Matt? Like, the fact that Hinata's able to sing along, not even along, she sings with them. And the fact adding Jurin to this now, especially with this song, it's impressive, right? To me, it's very impressive. This isn't just a normal thing, what they're doing. Like, I don't think people understand how good this group is vocally. Like, all of them. It's not just one member, two members. Because I don't think people understand how good Chisa and Julia are. Especially. The fact that most of these members are able to match their vocals. And not only that, do you know what's my favorite thing about Julia, Majo? Julia and Chisa like to do backup vocals for everyone. And that just shows how good of singers they are. You know what I mean? The fact that they're able to sing in everyone's pitch. And that's the reason why I really wanted to watch this performance was for Julia specifically. Because Julia does like 90% of the backup vocals in this song. And it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Julia has such a gorgeous voice. Her voice really shows in this song. It's very impressive. What I like about this song, and I feel like this is honestly my favorite XG song, is that it shows how much this group has improved from when they started to where they are now. It shows a lot of the members are comfortable to sing. You know? And that's not easy to do. And like people saying, oh, Julian would be nervous. Fuck, I would be nervous. You know, she is a rapper. And this is like, that's why my reaction, if y'all have seen my reaction to this song, I was gobsmacked when I saw that was Julian. I was like, what? Like, I knew she had a voice, but I did not know she had a voice like that. And the thing is, this is probably like the first time them performing it live, which adds way more pressure. It adds double, triple. Shit. Majo, we were watching the Baby Monster performance. Ion was worried about her high note. She had to prep herself for her high note. So if she feels that way, I can't imagine how Julian feels. You know? Like, it's pressure. It has to be pressure. So much pressure. But, in my honest opinion, she did it justice. I wanna listen to her part again because I actually really liked it. So I want to hear this part again because I actually really enjoyed it. And I'm very happy for her. I'm so happy for her.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
my god. That look there is deer in front of headlights. Because she notices it's her part now.
In the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hands every time it drop, drop, drop. It drop. By now you got me.
Yeah, dude, she killed that. Right, Measure? That's fucking scary. That's scary. She kills this.
Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay.
What's so interesting is how similar her vocal tone is to Julia's.
Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hands every time it drop, drop, drop. It drop. By now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. And you know I won't look back, look back.
This is such an underrated song. I can't believe how good this song is. Oh, dude. You know, like, people were like, oh, come on, be honest. There's no way you think this is your... This is my favorite song of XG's. I'm not... Don't get me wrong, I love their rapping. I love their rapping, but this to me is... I think since I heard... From the first time I heard Left Right, I wanted to hear XG go R&B route. And this type of R&B route. Because when I heard Winter Without You, I was like, yeah. And the fact that we finally got a song like this, and what's so amazing is that it's so similar to Cater to You by Destiny's Child, and I really enjoy that. I love that it has that, you know what I mean? It has that sound, it has that feeling of Cater to You. And it makes me happy. It makes me very happy and very proud of XG. Oh, by the way, I think I should announce this. I ended up getting my tickets to see XG. So I'll be seeing XG live next year. Ironically, XG are gonna be my Valentine. The concert's on Valentine's Day. So fuck it. That's gonna be mad. I'm so excited. I thought I should announce that. So yeah, just wanted to let people know. You're lucky. So yeah, I'm excited to go see XG again, and especially that it's a full concert this time. I'm very excited to see what XG do. But yeah, man, that's all I gotta say. So if you like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe. And remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Peace.